I'm Melina, and welcome to my YouTube channel, Melina Travels. I've been dreaming of traveling for a while now, and I'm lucky to say I've been granted the chance to do so, considering these past few years a couple of times. This week, we'll be running away from the wind seeking protection at Staniel Cay. Like and subscribe to follow my travels wherever they may take me.
It's pretty. Exumas, leaving Shepard, headed down to Staniel, western weather. Yeah, it was pretty rough all night in Shroud. It was supposed to change at like midnight, and then it didn't. And everyone else is fine, but two other crewmates are not okay with this weather, so we're going down to Staniel. We just arrived at Staniel Cay, and it's really windy down here, but the water is definitely not as wavy as Shroud Cay. Definitely it's a lot better over here. The boat's just like spinning, I guess, rather than going like all over the place. But yeah, we just got here and the water's really pretty. We're about to go check in and maybe go to Thunderbolt Grotto. We don't know, but yeah. Around Staniel Cay, just exploring a little bit before we have to go back to the boat. Long walk on this beach. Now we're gonna head back to the boat and I don't know, sleep, play card games. Most people are gonna sleep.
No, because no. Right? You need that end to start coming out. Sweet kitten. Oh my goodness, look. Oh.
You don't have ringworm or something.
Come here. Come here.
Yeah.
Oh. Come here, buddy.
like reservations. Exhale and breathe, I'm praying for some patience. Proceed, I think I'm high as a kite.
Alright, so today it's super windy, so we didn't really move today. We were gonna go over to Pig Beach and Compass Key and then up to Wadrick, I think so. But today the wind is just too strong. Probably not a good idea since this isn't our boat. So today we're just gonna chill out, play card games, play board games, probably walk around the island. But right now we're gonna go check out Thunderball Grotto. I'm just in my room. But yeah, I'm about to go check that out. But it's so cool that I can look out my little hatch right here. So, show you guys the view. But yeah, I just get to look out my little hatch right here whenever I want. It's pretty cool at night because this island's more lit up. So, I can see like all the lights, and then over at Pig Beach there's a ton of boats that it looks like you're almost in a city over there. But yeah, we're gonna go check out Thunderball Grotto. It's pretty windy, so it's really cold. So I got my long Waterlust sunsuit on. But yeah, go check it out.
Oh yeah.
Really cool. Very cool. Thunderball Grotto. Yep. Thunderball Grotto. Better? Worse?
Roger.
What you got in there?
Airplane movie. Yeah, it's like professional cooking. A little yellow squash in there. I probably should have some rice going, I guess. Zucchini. Yellow pepper. Okay, now we can cut up some orange pepper. Going in. Orange pepper is going in. Yeah. Getting there. Got some pizzazz in it. That's a lot of vegetables.
Yeah, it is.
Ain't seen nothing yet.
You still got more to add. You still have the,
I'm gonna eat it all too.
you still have the broccoli, the asparagus.
Like trunks. Hey, you wanna do me a favor? I don't think we're full, but turn on those instruments and go up and turn that on. You have to have them on in order to see how much water we've made or how full the tank is, I guess.
Water's at 67. Wind speed's 20 knots. Oh, you can just hear it blowing and blowing and blowing. Jeez. Yeah, the wind speed's at.
Huh?
The water's at 67.
What's the wind speed at?
20.
20. It's going down a little bit.
Some delicious veggie stir fry. Made by the chef. Master chef.
It's me.
We're about to head out on the dinghy to go walk around the island and pay for a second night at Staniel Cay. But yeah, they're just taking the water out of the dinghy from when we went to Thunderball Grotto. But that's what we're doing, and go walk around the island, check out a beach.
In every corner doing tricks for a dime. All the streets
Staniel Cay. Probably can't hear me. On Staniel Cay. Walking to see the ocean. See if we can find it. Let's see what's over this way. Cool trail though. Man, it's loud. Ocean's just ripping. Almost up to the top. Ocean Park. Crazy in here. Yeah, we're out somewhere. It's windy. I don't think so. Doesn't look like a wave. Exumas sound is mad. It's all pretty and the lights. Kind of lit up back there in the trees. Let's kind of take a left and go through the trail. I like this little trail. Yeah. It's like being in Disneyland in the jungle or somewhere. Yeah. Going down to the Staniel Cay Yacht Club. Party over there. Bar and grill over here. Just chilling.
Don't forget to subscribe, and you see that thumb down there? Go ahead and smash that button for me. It truly helps me out a lot. I appreciate it so much, and as always, thank you so much for traveling along with me, and I can't wait to see you out there.
But I'm here.